Dad, are you like putting it in the flame?
So here we go.
Okay.
Well, that's what you. I think that's good.
Got a dent.
That hurts. Whoa, that is so sharp. But you can see the redness, like.
Here we come in 3, 2, 1.
Dad, why are you rushing when you're done eating it?
There it goes.
Oh, yep.
Does it feel better?
It's starting. Dad, I think you need it more. More holes.
There we go. Ooh, good job, Reed.
Ow!
Okay. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's getting better and better.
Yeah.
Dad, can you do more holes?
I'll do one more.
Little finger. Oh, look, I press on it and more comes out.
Just pressing?
Yeah, look.
Should I do another hole, Reedy?
Or just,
Mama, stop.
well, you just gotta kind of let it drain out, sweetie.
Well, tell me what we just did.
So I got my finger smashed in the door. Then we were trying to get all the blood out, and we got it out with like a needle, and it got all the blood out.
Does it feel better now?
Yes.
Did it hurt?